Hey guys, today I'm here at Crook & Co. I want to show you guys how I go about permanently repairing damaged hair. It's a little different than the traditional way that we've always gone about it with traditional bond builders. The formulation and the step-by-step process is a lot different. So I'm here today to show you exactly how I use K18. I have my model here, Brianna. We usually do a balayage on her, but it's been a while. She wants to grow her hair out and she wants to just stop bleaching it for a while. So we're gonna repair some of these split ends that we have and I'll show you how we do it. So the first thing you wanna do is mist the hair with water. This is really important because if you don't, then the mist from the K18 won't saturate evenly throughout all of the hair and it'll actually give it kind of a gritty feel. So first we just do a light damp mist. You don't wanna make the hair soaking wet with water. You don't wanna water down the product, but you do wanna make it wet enough that it helps everything evenly disperse. So I just take it in really messy sections, maybe 3 or 4 depending how thick their hair is. And then we're gonna take a wet brush, comb that through. You see the hair isn't completely wet, but it does have some water in it just again to help that product evenly disperse. So the next step is gonna be the K18 mist. This is an in-salon only pre-treatment. It changes the pH level of the hair. It allows the lotion to penetrate further. I use this usually before any color service, but you can use it before a keratin service, a haircut, or just by itself. So unlike the water, you actually wanna really saturate the hair in this mist. You don't want to just spritz a little bit on the top layer and comb it through. You really want to make the hair wet. So I take little sections, just horizontally around the hair like a horseshoe, and really spray it through. Your finger will probably get sore. That means you're doing it right. You can't use too much of this. You're not going to over-protonize the hair. You're not going to damage it. You just want to really saturate it. So after you sprayed it all through, you're gonna take your wet brush again, comb it through really evenly, make sure you get it all even, especially towards the front. I tend to really concentrate the spray around the face, around the bits of the hair that are more brittle and sensitive. So after you comb it through, you just set a 4-minute timer and go mix your color, take a snack break, whatever, and then we'll start on our next step. So after you wait 4 minutes for the mist to process, I took her over to the bowl and I'm gonna wet her hair all the way. So after you give her a nice rinse, just shampoo as normal with any of your favorite shampoos. It doesn't matter which kind. After you finish shampooing, I'm gonna be toning Brianna today, but again, you can use this for any service. You can even use it for relaxers and a perm. So I'm just gonna dry her off, apply her toner, and let her sit, and then we'll show you the next steps. So now that we've rinsed the toner out, I'm actually not going to condition, and that's one of the most important parts with K18. If you condition, the treatment won't work. I'm just gonna dry her off and take her back to the chair and apply the K18 lotion. The difference between this lotion is it's ultra concentrated, so less is more. The most pumps I would ever use is 4 with someone with really, really thick hair, but for Brianna today, we're just gonna use 2 pumps. So you'll notice too, since you don't condition, before you apply the K18 product, the hair's probably gonna be a little too tangly to comb out on its own. But once you do apply that product, it's gonna comb out beautifully, just like it had a deep conditioner in it or a conditioning spray. So you just comb it all through and then you're gonna wait 4 minutes before you do anything else. So after you've waited the 4 minutes, you're actually gonna finish her off just as you would any normal day. So I'm gonna add some styling cream, and a common misconception with K18 is that the lotion is actually also a styling cream, and it's not, it's just a treatment. So I always like to finish the hair off with something to smooth it out and some heat protectant. So we're just gonna add some product to her hair, and then we're gonna blow dry her and show you the final results. So that's it, that's the whole treatment. You can see her hair is a lot shinier, the split ends are a lot mended. I did give her a little bit of a trim as well, but you can just see that the hair looks healthier overall and it's gonna allow her to really grow it out nicely. I'm also gonna send Brianna home with one of our retail sizes. So she'll use it for the next 5 washes, and then after that, it's just every 3 to 4 washes. And that's it, it's super easy.